Hi, welcome to the Pentart Playbook. This is where I'm going to show you all about the different Pentart products. I'm Shannon, and I am from Pick and Booth Vintage. Let's get started. Pentart Delicate Paint. This is a lightweight water-based paint that is perfect for those fine details or on delicate surfaces. It is great for layering and blending. It provides a subtle, pearlescent, but elegant metallic sheen. First, you're going to want to stir it before you use it. Make sure you get all the pigments because it is a shinier paint. You're going to want to use a fine brush. This is great for like your detail work. When you're layering it, make sure that it is dry before you put on your next layer. Pro tip, make sure you stir it really well before you use it to make sure you get all the metallic goodness evenly distributed. You can also layer or blend this with other paints to give it a nice subtle look.